Welcome to my video lecture on Introduction to STAAD.Pro. Today we will be seeing the basic tutorial for STAAD.Pro. This tutorial is a beginner level tutorial. So today we will be dealing with the basic requirements or the basic necessity that is needed to start with STAAD.Pro. So let's start with STAAD.Pro. STAAD.Pro is a software that is run by the Bentley. So once you open this, you find a window, introduction window of STAAD.Pro version 8. Here you will be finding various options, that is new project, open project wise, configuration, backup management, license management. As of now, the important is the new project or the open project. So if you're dealing with a new project, you will have to select a new project. Or else if you want to continue with some project that is being worked on, then you can go for the open project option. I will go with the whenever you're starting with a program or a work in your STAAD.Pro, it's very necessary to follow certain ethical rules. That is, generally when you're saving the file name, you will always get a default name that is structure 1. So n number of times you work on, you'll get the same name, so structure 1. So keep a habit of saving the files by a particular name. So let's say here I'll be dealing with the basic. So let's say basic tutorial. So basic for me. Now the other is the location. So if you just concentrate and see, you can find I've saved it in CAD drawings in STAAD.Pro files. All my files will be saved under this subheading, that is the STAAD.Pro file. So once I open up something, I can directly go to the location, that is the E drive, get to my STAAD.Pro file, choose my basic to backup file, and you can start working on it. And the other is, whenever you're working on, each time you work on the same file, there's backup that is created. So if you don't have a habit of selecting a proper location and working on it, there will be backup that will be created every day. So if you're saving it in your desktop or something, you'll probably find your desktop filled with the backup files. Follow the basic rule of saving your file in a particular folder. That will always help you out. Coming to the point, you'll find when here I have got units, that is the length unit and the force units. So in India, we follow the SI units. So I keep up with meter and kilometer. You can of course change your units. Let's say you have the decimeter, you have the inch, newton, wherever I wish that. I continue, that is meter and units. Before coming, you find 4 spaces to work on. So one is the space plate, the other is the plane, third is the floor, and next is the truss. If you want to select either of it, you can go for it. Otherwise, you can just say next. Alternatively or default, you can select a space plane to work on. The space plane ultimately means you will have an XYZ plane to work on. Plane, if you go for the plane option, you will have specific planes to work on. Similarly, you have to work on the floors or the truss. And the best part is, if you select truss, you will get truss structures from which you can choose on the truss and then you can work on it. Well, initially I'll be dealing with the space plate. Now in the subheading of the space, you have different options, that is beam, plate, solid, structure wizard, STAAD editor, building planner mod, editor information. So the first 3 is, as of now, elements. These are different elements in the structure, like your beam, your plate, a solid. Structure wizard. Structure wizard is a database wherein you have got typical state models. So if you want to go in for a whole truss, pratt truss, a frame, single bed frame, multi-story bed frame, typical models that are available are not available to you in the structure design. So if you don't want to make a model, you want to work on a model that is created, that is a typical one, then you can go into structural direction. The next is STAAD editor. It is just like writing a program. So you can correlate to it something that is maybe in C language, then the language in format that you write. Instead of drawing your model, you write a program to model your necessity. That is a STAAD editor. We will come to the STAAD editor maybe in a couple of tutorials. As of now, the beam is the simplest thing, so we select the beam. If you don't select, it is ultimately it is difficult, it is the beam. So we go finish. Yes. So finally, we have this page, this space frame that will be working. So now my structure has got the basic tube. The basic tutorial is the name of my this work that I've done. On the right hand side, there is a window that appears. So this window says snap node or beams. So whenever you're working, you will be working with nodes and beams. The initial is the node, then is the beam, and then is the other elements that will come as when we study the further basic parts. So initially we need a node to start drawing anything. So now there is a default grid that is already available to you. Let's study this grid in detail. Go to edit. So I say edit. You show me plane. Now which plane am I working on? That is my I am working on my one plane. Now set my plane shapes. If I want to go with my YZ, my plane. So these are the two different planes in which you can work. Now let's come back to XY plane in which you would like to work. Before that, you can see grid lines. Specifically 10 grid lines in my X plane and my Y. Now this you can change over you can say the construction line. So here is my X and my Y. So this is the coordinate, it starts at 0, and to right it will move for 10 meters. And you see the spacing between each construction line is 1 meter. Now, if you want to make changes, let's go to just to see what difference it will come. So here it says there are 10 grid lines, the right hand side, with spacing between each grid is 2. So it becomes the total of grid lines and its workspace becomes 20 by 20. Okay. 20 by 20 is my work frame. Let's get back to the original edit. It is just for understanding. So we are back to our basic thing. This 10 by 10 structure. Let's say I want to draw a field for 4. So I've selected escape. So this I was working in XY plane. Now we need to work with and go to red. There's an option snap beam or snap node. The grid line disappears. So when I want to work with again we go for the node selector. We will shortcut that I can press with snap node or snap beam option. And that before this thing, I just have to press the snap node or the beam option. If you switch off the grid lines, that we can take a clear using the arrow keys to go into the dimensions. Now I want to shift. I'm working on exact plane. I want to shift my exact plane by distance, either vertical distance. As of now, I know this vertical distance is 4 meters. If I don't know, then there is a sheet that we can simply say dimension. So I want to display two views. So this would show me, let me remove here. This vertical distance is 4. And I want to now, I don't want these dimensions. I'm going to remove, so that I dimension this is remove. So now I know the distance, that is the y distance, is 4 meters. So my grid lines now have shifted by 4 meters in the vertical direction. Draw 4. Now there are 2 to 3 methods that are available to complete this cube. Let's say what are incomplete. I'll just switch up the pictures. So if you see, you need to draw this plane, and the third. So we have only drawn 3 planes. So we need to go for the next 3 planes. How? Either you can, my grid line is on exactly at the distance of, or at a height of 4 meters. I need to shift it to this plane, maybe this plane. I need to work on YZ plane. So if I edit YZ plane, but YZ, my origin is somewhere else. I need to shift it by 4 in Z. Now we will shift it to 4 in Z. Now I can draw over here, edit, get my unique mark to 0, then this is already done. So done with one piece. Let's see how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Now I want to join this. Either I have to repeat the procedure, get back to 0, 0, 0 for my first XZ, YZ plane, and then get back to this plane. Or else here geometry, you can add things. Now, if you select add things, there are several options. What we need to work for is add these are pointer point, which is my first point. So just by adding this thing, y, e, s, a, b, I'm going to go reduce my variance. So I have drawn a cube of 4 by 4 by 4 using these width. So either of the two methods that I said, if you are comfortable with using the grid lines, you can go and complete your entire spaces using the grid lines, or else draw 2 faces and test. You can join the nodes with the help of add beam option of the geometry. This is the basic initial tutorial. Do practice different types of shapes, whatever you're comfortable like, and do come back to the next lecture wherein you will be dealing with bigger and complicated models. Thank you so much.